Hello, hi everyone. In this video, I am going to explain how to make the simple equations for the word problems or story problems. So here most of the students are facing difficulties to make how to make the equation for the given word problem. Already you all know that how to simplify, how to solve the equation for x or z or something, but most of the students facing difficulty how to make the equation. Just I'm going to take a few examples in this video, and I'll make the equation for that given word problem. Only I'm making the equation, you have to solve it, those things anyway. Solve how to solve, that. So let us see here. Here is a problem that total number of the boys and girls in a class is 52. So total boys and girls are there in the class, total 52 members are there. If the number of girls is 10 more than that of boys, they said, then find the number of boys. So after reading the problem carefully, you have to understand what they have given. So here you see what we are going to find, that will be the variable. It may be x, y, z, anything, but we are habituated to take x is the variable. So for all the problem, take x only single variable. These all are dealing with single variable, simple equation, single variables, right? So here after reading the problem, let us see total number of boys and girls is 52. So that is in that 52 girls also there, boys also there, but we don't know how what is the number of boys, what is the number of girls, we don't know. We are going to find number of boys. Number of boys is the question. So we have to take here boys is x, or otherwise what is the relation given in the problem between boys and girls. Here is the second statement. If the number of number of girls is 10 more than that of boys, if the number of girls is 10 more than that of boys, they said. So the relation between boys and girls is number of girls is 10 more than the boys, they said. That means if we know boys, how many number of boys are there, then we can find girls. For example, for your understanding, if boys are 5 boys are there, 5 boys are there, so how many number of girls are there? What is the relation? 10 more than boys, they said. 10 boys are 5 means 10 more than 5 plus 10, 15 girls are. That is the thing we have to understand by the statement. So now actually how many number of boys we don't know. Now let us take let boys be x number of boys are there. Now what will the girls are x plus 10, x plus 10. Why? Because girls is 10 more than boys. If boys are x number, then x plus 10 is the girls. So how many? Now boys and girls we got it, but both together how many members are there? If both together, that means number of boys plus number of girls is equal to total 52 members are there. If we add boys and girls, we'll get 52. So this is the equation, simple equation. So x plus x, 2x plus 10 is equal to 52. So this is the simple equation, we got it. That is the making of equation is very important. From here onwards, for x we have to solve it. So 10 send that side, and after 52 minus 10, these all those things you know that. If you don't know, once again you watch that another video. I already solved for equations, one video is there, just you watch that. So this is the equation, we got it. In this way we can make the equations. Okay, here you see the problem. The present age of Ramu's father is 3 times that of Ramu. After 5 years, the sum of their ages would be 70 years. Find their present ages. So after reading the problem, just you observe, find their present ages, they said. Present how much age? So that we have to take it as variable, that is unknown quantity. Unknown quantities always take it as variables. The what is x, that we have to know first. So here we don't know Ramu is and his father is, both the things we don't know, but what is the relation given? The present age of Ramu's father is So how much Ramu's father age is? Ramu's father is 3 times that of Ramu, 3 times that of Ramu. So here if we know the age of Ramu, then we can find the age of father. So if I am taking Ramu's age is, Ramu's present age x. So what is the father age? What is the father's age? 3 times of Ramu they said. So 3x. These are the present ages. These are the present ages. So we what how to take variable we got it. After that, after 5 years they said. So by using x and 3x we can't make the equation. So one more statement is there. After 5 years, what happens after 5 years? After 5 years sum of their ages would be 70 years. So after 5 years what are their ages? So after 5 years, Ramu's age becomes x plus 5. Simply we have to add 5 years to the present age. And what is father age after 5 years? 3x plus 5. So these are the ages after 5 years, but here the condition is what? After 5 years the sum of their ages should be 70 years. That means if we add x plus 5 plus 3x plus 5, we'll get 70 years. This is the equation we got it now. So after simplification, for example 3x plus x of 4x and 5 plus 5 10, and that is 70. So this is the equation, simple equation we got it. So if we solve this equation, we can find x value. If we know x, that is the Ramu's age. If we know Ramu age, we can find father age. So in this way we can make the equation. Okay, here see one more problem. A purse contains 250 rupees in the denomination of 10 rupees and 50 rupees note, 50 rupees. If the number of 10 rupees notes is one more than that of 50 rupees notes, so find the number of notes of each denomination. So find the number of notes. So in this problem we are going to find how many 10 rupees notes are there, how many 50 rupees notes are there in that purse. But total amount we know, total amount is 250 rupees in that purse, we know that. And second thing is here unknown quantities are how many 10 rupees notes are there, how many 50 rupees notes are, we don't know, both the things we don't know. So here our aim is number of 10 rupees notes, either we have to take x or number of 50 rupees notes. For that just here you read the relation between 10 rupees and 15 rupees notes. If the number of 10 rupees notes is one more than that of 50 rupees notes they said, that means if we know number of 50 rupees notes, if we know, we can find the number of 10 rupees notes. So here I am taking a number of notes, number of 50 rupees notes. 50 rupees notes is x I am taking. Then what is number of 10 rupees notes? 10 rupees notes becomes 1 more than 50 rupees. That means x plus 1. For example, 50 rupees notes 10 means 10 rupees notes 11, like that. So 50 rupees notes is x, number of 10 rupees notes is x plus 1. Okay, finally we got variables. How to take the variables, we got it. Now how to make the equation? For that, here only one condition, because total amount is 250 rupees they said. Total amount 2 rupees note, 250 rupees means first we have to find 50 rupees notes amount how much, amount of 10 rupees notes is how much, that we have to know it. For that, here we know 50 rupees notes are x. What is the amount of 50 rupees? That means 50 rupees notes amount, that means number of notes, number of notes into 50 rupees. That means how many number of notes of 50 rupees notes, that is x. So x into 50 rupees. So like that, if I am taking like that, what happen? So amount of 50 rupees notes, amount of 50 rupees notes is equal to x into 50, that is what, 50x. This is amount of 50 rupees notes. Now amount of 10 rupees notes, that is x plus 1 into 10 rupees, that is 10 into x plus 1. This is amount of 10 rupees notes. But if we add amount of 50 rupees notes plus amount of 10 rupees notes, we'll get 250 rupees. So here I'll write 50x plus 10 into x plus 1 is equal to 250 rupees. So this is the amount of 50 rupees notes, this is the amount of 10 rupees notes. If both the amounts, if we add, we'll get a 250. That is the equation, So if we simplify this, we'll get x value. By that we can find the number of 50 rupees notes and number of 10 rupees notes. So you can simplify this. I hope you understand. Here in this video I made nearly 3 examples I've given here. So I think try to understand it. I'll do more videos for better understanding. I'll take different types of problems again. Thank you very much.